I think I spotted some stairs, so let's go see if I can go up without dying. Cool graffiti on there. I'm guessing the graffiti was not there for the Olympics. Pretty sure that's been done afterwards. Well, if we weren't broke backpackers, we will be able to rent one of these things. Good morning and welcome to Sarajevo here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. I've arrived here on the train this morning from Mostar, which you'll have seen in the last video probably. So I've dropped my bags at the hostel because it's still only 11:15. As always, I like to do a walking tour in the new city first, so we're off to do that now. There's quite a few interesting looking things to do here in this city, I think, just from what I've been told by other people. So we've got a few things to explore while we're here, so let's get on with the day. Check out a disused bobsled track from the 1984 Olympics. I'm going to take a cable car. I've just arrived at now. Go up to the top, then walk all the way back down. I think you walk like actually on the track, so that'll be pretty cool. And I'm joined today by somebody I've just met on the walking tour.
Hey, I'm Aidan. I'm from Sydney, Australia.
So we're going to buy a ticket, don't know how much it is, and go up to the top. Let's go. Cable car ride done. Yeah. Now we need to figure out where to go now. Well, if we weren't broke backpackers, we will be able to rent one of these things. This may be a little too big for the bobsled track though. That might fit. Yeah. Right, we found a map, so we're going to see if that tells us where we need to go. But we're close, we're in the right area. We have a possible sighting. It looks like something, but we're not sure what.
I don't know.
Okay, so here we are, apparently. We've got this bit here, but then there's another bit there. I'm not sure what that is. It's like really high and really steep. And steps here, maybe like the seating for spectators, and it goes down. So you can see the two tracks meeting up here. We're guessing that this one is for the bobsleds, and then this one is, I think it's called the luge. But yeah, it's pretty cool. We're going to keep going. Look how high the turn is.
Yeah, it's cool.
Like 6 foot tall. Cool graffiti on there. I'm guessing the graffiti was not there for the Olympics. Pretty sure that's been done afterwards. I don't know what the top bit's for though. What are them top like brackets for? Don't know what they're for. Unless they had a cover over that section or something. Walls here have got significantly higher, so you must be racking up some speed by the time you get down here. But you want to hope you're that side anyway when you come down, not this side, because the wall's like barely knee high. But yeah, Aidan reckons it'd be a good laugh coming down on a skateboard, but I'm not so sure. It's pretty cool. There's more people here than I was expecting though. I was expecting it to be like a bit of a niche thing to be doing, not a big tourist attraction, but there we go. It looks like we must have made it to the finish line. It goes uphill now, obviously, to slow the bobsleds down. I don't know if we can carry on up that way. It looks like there might be some more sections of track over there. There's all sorts of bits. Oh, there's some towers as well. Where are those towers?
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
We're gonna have a look. There's something showing on Google Maps about some towers. Look like they've maybe been bombed at some point. We'll see if we can go check those out now. And we've made it to the towers. So these are like, or were, military observation towers. Absolutely riddled with bullet holes. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. I'll show you the ones down here. Over there you can see, over the sea, an amazing view. Well, look at this. I've been absolutely peppered with bullets. And probably missiles as well. I think it said there was another tower that's just completely not here anymore. But I think I spotted some stairs, so let's go see if I can go up without dying. So I think we've come all the way to the top. There's a bit of minor damage to the floor area, so I need to watch that. Massive chunks of wall missing, and there. And we made it back into town. Probably took us an hour or so to hike down from those towers. So that's it for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever else there is to do. And I'll see you in another video from somewhere pretty soon. See ya!